Collaboration was
exciting.
so fun, and we're excited to tell you guys all about it. Dun, dun, dun.
This is actually Asia. She's an animal lover. Her dogs are so cute.
They're
Levi
so adorable.
and Luke.
Yes.
Yeah, and they're always like following her around the house. And then it's our mascot. She's called Uni. She's been with us since the beginning of the brand, and it's like the girl next door, your friend, your older sister that will like help you with your skincare journey and your mask journey. So kind of like that's her there.
We love her.
And then crown actually represents Queen Bee. And even though Asia loves Beyonce and what Beyonce stands for, I'm like,
oh my gosh, she's a queen.
I mean, who doesn't love Beyonce, right?
Yeah.
So crown, and then we got some skincare products here. But yeah, this just ties in all of Asia. You know, just her and
her essence. Give us some hearts if you're ready for this. Okay, dun, 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 dun.
You know, we always have tissue paper.
Yeah, which I love. And guys, we have stickers. I know you guys love the stickers. I love the stickers too, and they're so cute this month. They're basically all the little icons that were on the box.
Yeah.
Yay, stickers!
Woo! I love stickers.
Me too.
Okay, and then usually in every box or kit, we include a description card and a theme card. And in the back, it has Asia and her little notes for you guys about the box. The description card, we have it here. And a lot of these masks, some of them like don't have English in the back. So this is where we help you guys out and list, you know, the active ingredients, what's so special about the mask, the benefits, and we list the retail price of each mask and the mask picture of the mask itself. These masks are actually all like cruelty free, and there are also some vegan options too. So if you look at some of these here little icons, the bunny stands for animal cruelty free, and then the little leaf here stands for that's vegan. So their 7 Lux box comes with 7 different types of sheet masks. Woohoo! Yay! Look at all these glorious sheet masks. Not only are they good for hydration, they're good for brightening. You even out your skin tone. Help you with your skin texture, and you know, look at all these beautiful
goodies.
There's
like 3 multi-step masks in this plan, and we have like a really cool seaweed mask
and another FaceTory branded sheet mask. We actually have a special guest coming in today to help us. Dun, 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 drum roll. Janice today will help us out doing some live demos. So first up is our FaceTory Glow Baby Glow for soothing and hydrating your skin. We know it comes like fall time, so then the harsh cold weather is gonna really irritate your skin. Really good for all skin types.
Yay.
And the top part is a soothing ampoule. It's really good to take care of your skin when you're like before wrinkles start. So Korean skincare is a really good preventative skincare.
Yes.
And so the high antioxidants in that ampoule will help you with preventing any wrinkles. The sun is gonna actually give you guys a lot of wrinkles without the free radicals. And like all your healthy cells will slowly deteriorate, die, leaving you guys with wrinkly skin. So that's why you want to protect your skin. You want to prevent it by wearing sunscreen, and also after a day out in the sun or even outside, like you want to use skincare like sheet masks,
replenish your skin,
further fight it because there's still radicals in there. Okay, so the mask is a nice Cooper sheet. It fits the face like really nicely, right?
Yeah.
And it has niacinamide. It'll help brighten any hyperpigmentation, any redness. Like I get really red skin during the fall time, and also helps with strengthening your skin barrier.
This just feels so great. The smell, the scent is wonderful. I think that it's not overpowering, but it's there for people who really love fragrances. Oh my gosh, sorry. I just really love the scent.
Okay, so while Janice is sheet masking, letting that sit in her skin, we're gonna come with the second
one.
mask.
Woohoo!
Cute.
This one, the packaging is very simple, but don't let it fool you. So this one is the Keome Hydration Therapy Mask, and it has Morbus Alba Fruit Extract, which contains vitamin A and E to help hydrate, and also helps with anti-aging too. So it also has Rosa Centellio flower extract, which contains vitamins and antioxidants to help moisturize your dry skin. And this one is also vegan friendly too. Also really great for people who have oily skin, and it doesn't leave your skin very sticky. Next mask is
Next
the
mask. Mediskin
Is this
Intensive Moisture Calming Mask. So for this mask, let's skip ahead. She said, if you love thicker sheets, this one is your new go-to. It's also great for sensitive skin, excuse me, and helps strengthen the skin barrier. So true.
So honestly, Asia really did a good job at curating this box because she chose vegan options, and also really great for people with sensitive skin too, which Asia has sensitive skin.
It has hyaluronic acid, and if you guys don't know hyaluronic acid, get on board.
So good.
It is so good. So it's an ingredient that will help you plump up your skin, hydrate it, so it will grab onto any of the water molecules surrounding your skin and pull them. It will pull them onto your skin, so then it will lock into your like outer layer of skin, and it will like, you know, feed your outer layer skin with water.
Yes, you know, hydrated, plump looking skin.
And it has Centella asiatica and tea tree. So people with oily combo skin are really gonna like this a lot. If you have dry skin, you can mask it too.
Yes.
Just make sure you put like a thick cream after masking to seal in all of the goodness that's from the mask.
Yeah, I really love tea tree oil because it's a good antibacterial agent, and I use it on my pimples. Yeah, so it like kills all the bacteria on my pimples. So I really
wonder she has like really great skin. You guys look at
everybody has good skin too. I think Gloria has amazing
all
skin.
I have some hormonal pimples going on.
Yeah,
so
I have those too.
Okay, so Centella asiatica is really good for calming irritations. It helps fade acne scarring. Tea tree, like Belinda said, is helps with pimples and blemishes and stuff. So this overall is a great combo for oily combo skin, acne prone skin.
Yes.
Ooh, that would be a good mask if I had like inflammations, huh?
Yeah.
All right, Janice. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling so good. It's not drying up at all.
No?
It's super hydrating. Like, sorry, I keep talking, which is why I get like wrinkles, but it's very easy to just like smooth it out too.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and take that off.
Oh yeah. Janice needs to demo another mask. Dun-dun-dun.
Okay, next mask. This one's a really cool mask.
That's a real cool mask.
This is another multi-step mask. It has two different, like a sheet mask and a little like oil. But let me talk about this little guy for you guys. So this contains niacinamide, which improves skin texture and fades any dark spots. And actually you're gonna do the sheet mask first and then the oil, but you can also like reverse it. Yeah, you can do the oil first and then the sheet mask. I forgot what I said.
So I just want to say that we met Asia's mom, the influencer we are collaborating with for this month. She loves this mask.
So there are two ways of using this sheet mask. It comes in an oil capsule. One way right now we're demonstrating is just recommended by the brand. It's just sheet masking first and putting the oil capsule afterwards. But if you have really dry skin and you want a little bit of extra hydration, put on the oil capsule first on top of your skin.
Yes.
Then you sheet mask to really like lock in all the moisture, because the sheet mask is gonna act as an occlusive. So it's not the oils and everything. It's gonna push your mask is gonna push that oil into your skin in the morning as a quick way to force feed the
just like lock everything in before you start the day. That is what I do.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna do it by the recommended
thank
brand
you.
thing. So sheet mask first.
Thank you, Metro Bell. I love my nail polish color too.
And then I saw some of you guys were saying that you subscribe to the Lux box and the Kit box. Thank you so much. You guys mean the world to us. Like, we wouldn't be here without you guys.
Seriously, wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be curating all this sheet masks without you guys.
Thank you, FaceTory fam.
Thank you. Nature Bell says, do you have any jelly masks this month? Yes, we actually do have a jelly mask this month. I love jelly masks too. So good thing I there's another person that loves it,
too.
so I will keep it in mind and I will look for more jelly masks for you, girl.
On the
Look for more
search
jelly
for it.
masks on the search. Let's see here.
I cannot see.
Okay,
it.
so let me talk more about what the ingredients are in this mask. So it also has hyaluronic acid, and we all know hyaluronic acid is amazing for hydrating and plumping your skin. And the facial oil contains ceramide and plant-based oil to help repair and moisturize the skin, and it creates a nice barrier if used after sheet masking. But like Gloria said, you can also use it after sheet masking too. So yeah, and it's also great for dry and combo skin.
Someone had a question about their shipment. Why don't you email support at FaceTory? We have an amazing girl named Alice, and she just takes care of everything, and we'll help you out ASAP. Thank you so much for that. Yeah.
So
Usually what happens if you receive your if you receive your shipment late is because we will send you and bill you when you subscribe. So if you subscribe later in the month, then you'll probably receive it the following month within that same time frame. But you can also always change the date that you receive the box, and aka also get billed. Yeah. Season
Nature Bell says ceramide helps repair skin barrier, is amazing to heal acne scabs too.
Yes.
Yes. Ceramide in conjunction with hyaluronic acid works well together. I know for sure.
Yeah.
Ceramide is like the kind of like the glue.
You always see that combination together in sheet masks all the time.
So what's the next one?
Okay,
Next mask. Woohoo! G9 Skin Banana Milk Balm
I'm
Mask.
actually really excited for this mask. I love the packaging, and I know that it smells really good. It smells like bananas. But yeah, so this one is really nice. It has a creamier essence, and it has milk protein extract, which is really good to hydrate your skin, also lock in the moisture, and also brighten. And it's also great for dry skin and combo.
You see the giant cotton swab.
Wow. Just for reference, yeah.
The peeling swab. So it's an AHA peeling swab, and AHA is a chemical exfoliant. But chemical exfoliant, I feel like, is a lot less harsh on your skin than an abrasive one. Like a lot of like the American brands have like the scrubs. You don't see it, you don't see your skin like falling out or something, but it works like with continued use. After like you use it a lot, you'll see it gradually like gently exfoliating or like removing the dead skin cells, and it slots away the top layer of skin. It loosens up the buildup of your skin, and as you get older, actually that shedding process, your skin is always renewing itself, but as you get older, that process slows down. With this swab, you just gently like swipe it across your face, and the AHA, it has like 9% lactic acid. In order for AHA to be effective, it's like 5% to 10%.
Again, the mask that I'm doing is this one right here, and there's actually an oil capsule. It's not just one single sheet mask. Okay, so like that. And what is good about this oil, Gloria?
It's really good to lock in all of the moisture and nutrients that you got from sheet masking. It helps with slowing down the evaporation of the mask. Like all the ingredients, all that moisture that you got from the mask, and it has ceramide in it, so it helps really strengthen your skin barrier. Then you have less, you're prone to less bumps and all that stuff, all that bad stuff on your skin.
It's definitely like glowing. Like I look so glowy.
Yeah, the oil glow. Okay, so I'm excited for this mask. It's super cool.
Da-da-da!
It's from 23-year-old, and it's the Seaweed Silky Mask.
There's a question, did any of them work for evening skin? You mean skincare routine? Yes, you can use this, definitely all of these during the evening.
Ooh, look at
Anytime.
that color. That's beautiful.
Seaweed mask. I love 23-year-old masks. They're very luxurious and high quality.
And
So this mask is, I don't know if I want to say, it's not really jelly, but it has like a really thick texture.
It covers your mouth, guys.
It covers your mouth.
So you can't drink anything, but
Yes.
it's great because it's like a built-in lip mask too.
Yes.
Yes. I know you guys are really interested in lip mask and eye mask and all that stuff.
So
So
think of it as that.
Yes. 2 masks in 1.
Yes.
So has Coptis japonica extract, which soothes any inflammation and revitalizes skin. Algae extract is like seaweed, so that helps with any irritated skin. Has like high amount of antioxidants to help prevent wrinkles and stuff like that. So yeah, and it's good for moisturizing any dryness. the algae seaweed. And also contains seawater. Seawater has minerals that help strengthen your skin's barrier. The skin barrier is something that will protect you from any acne or any bumps and stuff. So you really have a healthy skin barrier in order to prevent all that stuff. And seawater obviously hydrates and soothes your skin. So yeah, it covers your entire mouth. There's actually eye flaps too. So some people I know like they cover their eyes. If you could turn to the side, it has slits. So it's cut slits for you. Very smart, 23 years old.
Good job.
So then you can help smooth out all of the wrinkles of your mask. So all parts of the mask will touch your skin.
This is definitely like a good pre-Halloween mask because you know you have to put on a lot of makeup, or even post-Halloween because you're gonna have like a lot of special effects makeup. Gosh.
The mask we're talking about is the 23 years old seaweed silky mask. It's actually very hard to get right now in America.
Yes.
And we were actually one of the first ones to carry it.
This is like the newest mask from 23-year-olds, so you guys are in for a treat.
Yes.
And I saw that people are like interested in lip masks and other things in the comments. Guys, stick tuned. We have so many upcoming projects, so many surprises we can't tell you about. We have all your input. Keep bringing them in.
Yes. This month is our special collaboration with multi-talented Asia Dang, and she actually tried out all these masks curated, and all these masks are animal cruelty free, and we have vegan options too.
Yes.
So be sure to check out FaceTory.com and subscribe to our box.
And thank you guys so much for all your feedback and questions and just being here. Like, we really appreciate it.
So fun. We look forward to this like every single month. So thank you guys.
Thank you.
Shout out to Dee. It's her 3rd month with FaceTory. So
yay! Happy!
Thanks for being part of the fam.
Yes, thanks for being part of the fam.
Last minute, any events in Los Angeles?
Any events in Los Angeles?
The most one that we're going to be for sure is
IMATS.
I wasn't sure we were allowed to say, but we are going to be at IMATS.
Yes, I'm pretty sure we're going to be at IMATS this 2019.
And we have more events. Just stick tuned. But I think that wraps it up.
Yeah.
And leave, get your questions. Remember them. Bring it to the next IG Live. And yeah, guys, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.